What is the top speed of Genesis hybrid bus?
Maximum speed of 80. But I think, makakalis din ito ng up to 120 kilometers per hour. So, regular lang. So, within speed limit tayo, 80 boys, closing speed, fuel efficient po siya. Then, pati yung consumption niya ng charge, energy charge natin from the battery is efficient din po.
What is the fuel and battery consumption of Genesis hybrid bus?
Basically, sir, yung consumption natin ng battery, yung charge is, it depends upon the road condition. Of course, sir, when we're going uphill, it will require more effort from the motor. So you will be using more charge from the battery. So anyway, if you use more charge from the battery, automatic naman po mag-start yung kanyang charging engine or generator to charge the battery. So basically, every time, may charge yung battery natin. Hindi ko siya maubos.
Does the Genesis hybrid bus require connection to a charging port?
No need na po sir, self-charging naman po siya. Pwede po natin siya i-set kasi it depends upon yung charging mode natin sir. So, let's say po 60%, pwede na po siya mag-start ng charge again. Then up to 65%, gusto po rin po siyang titigil. Thank you po.